What's up, everybody? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And in today's video, I want to talk about some of these video content providers who are trying to scare you by saying that President Biden is about to put in this secret law that is going to stop credit card companies from wanting to lend in 3 days. I'm going to tell you that this is 100% false. There is no secret law. How could you have a secret law when the president is telling you what he's trying to put into place? What he's putting into place is he's stopping the junk fees that credit card companies, banks, and payday loan companies, and all of these different companies are charging people. And now, this is the crux behind the video that I watched where the individual was saying, well, it's going to make banks lose billions of dollars because they can't charge the junk fees. This person made that statement mainly because they're not in the business of dealing with people with this. They're not in business, period. Because if you know, I'm in business, and I'm not even talking about my credit repair company. I'm just talking about my straight up business. I stopped charging late fees to my advertising clients. You want to know the reason why? It's because, number one, I found that they stayed being clients. Like, everybody goes through some struggles, and I found that my business clients, they would have some good months, some bad months, or some in-between months. And I was like, what if I just stopped charging them late fees? And guess what happened? First, they appreciated me not charging them a late fee. Next, what they did is they stayed with me longer as clients. I have one client who had been with me for more than 30 years, a client. And then something else that happened that I didn't even think about was that because they didn't have to have an additional fee when they paid me, they were able to just continue making their payments. Like, think about this. If you have a bank loan or a credit card loan, and you missed your payment, and they charged you sometimes double what your payment was going to be. Like, some of the people had payments of $30, $40, and then the late fee was going to be $30, $31, or $35. That's like a double payment. Not to say that they can't charge you a late fee, they're in business to make money, but think about it this way. If they were to say, okay, you're going to have a $5 penalty for paying that late, or we're going to give you a grace period where you have no penalty. That's giving people more money to be able to pay what they're paying back anyways. They're making interest on that payment. That's what people don't understand. And I think people who are making these videos, they've never been in business. All they're in is to making videos to get people stirred up and scared about stuff. You better believe if I make a video that's going to get you stirred up and scared like the one I made the other day, that could get some people, not pointing at you, but some people, where I said people are getting arrested for not paying debts. And people said, I don't believe it. You got to prove it to me, or you're just straight up lying, trying to scare people. And I put the links on there to the ACLU. You can go and look up that video, and people are getting arrested because they are not showing up to court for their default judgments and telling them how they're going to pay that debt. And I gave a solution to stop people from being able to have contempt. They call it a contempt warrant. And it's not the debt collector putting a warrant for your arrest. What they're doing is they're going to the court and they're saying, we want a contempt put on this individual for not coming in, and the judge signs off on it. And this is real stuff that we help people with. So it's not that I'm just making a video and trying to find some clips out there to try to get people scared about stuff. Another thing that the individual said is that credit card companies are going to stop loaning money to people. I'm putting it on record today, January 18, 2024. Credit card companies are going to loan out more money to people. More money to people. Also, I'm putting on record, January 18, 2024. Mortgage companies are going to put out more money to people at a lower interest rate, and more people are going to buy houses. I'm going to also say January 18, 2024, more people are going to start business, and more people are going to have more money in their pocket. I'm telling you this. That's my prediction. My prediction for you is that if you get your mind focused in the right direction and stop letting people scare you. Now, there's a difference between making a video to just scare somebody and not have a solution for them, and a video where you're like making people aware of stuff. Like when I make those types of videos, it's about upping your awareness. So if you're dealing with that situation, it's going to help you avoid getting into a worse situation. These videos here, Secret Law forces credit card companies to stop lending in 3 days. Well, we're already from the date this video was made 3 weeks ago. This person made the video 3 weeks ago, and credit card companies are still approving people and making loans right now. So I think I'm going to get into this video stuff where I'm going to show you that some of these videos that you're watching, all they're doing is just to get you to watch the video. It's no solutions behind them. And for any video that I make where I don't give you a solution behind it, it's about a mindset. It's about getting your mind pointed in the right direction. Because no matter what solution you get from me, anyone else, if your mind is not pointed in the right direction, you won't even see the solution. You might read, you might know, but when you look at it, you're going to be like, when you're looking at what you got to go through, you won't be able to see your way through it. That's why you can have someone see one thing one way and another person see it another way. It's because your mindset is not right. Get your mindset right. You will have a lot of what's on the screen here, so you can take care of your family. Money is just a tool. Money is not everything. Money is a tool, so you can live comfortably. You and your family live comfortably. You and your family be able to do what you want to do with your life. It's just a tool. But people scramble for money because they don't know about how money works. They don't know. They just think that if you just have a lot of money, your life is going to change. You can get a lot of money and your life could be worse. Get your mindset right. Get money. You could have the best life ever. All right. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video What Makes a Difference so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. You need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. Grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, cease and desist collection activities letter, and debt validation letter. Use the one that's appropriate for your situation. I do ask for a donation on those. Those letters can literally save you time, money, frustration. I also added a new program link below this video. If you have a financial hardship or combination of a financial and medical hardship, and you have charged off accounts, debt collectors, or original creditors, I can show you how to make a hardship consideration letter to potentially get your debt forgiven. Link is below this video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.